Welcome to the podcast, where we break down the biggest trends in AI, tech, and programming in a way that actually makes sense.
Whether you're a beginner learning your first language, a student trying to build projects, or a developer already in the field, this episode is for you.
Today, we're talking about how AI is changing software development in 2026, what's exciting, what's overhyped, and what you need to know to stay ahead.
Because let's be honest, the question is no longer if AI will impact software development.
The real question is, how do you adapt before everyone else does? Let's start with the obvious. AI is making developers faster.
A few years ago, writing code meant searching documentation, scrolling Stack Overflow, and spending hours debugging simple issues.
Now, AI can generate boilerplate code, explain errors, suggest better architecture, and even help you refactor messy code in seconds.
It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you, one who never gets tired of your questions.
Need a REST API? AI can scaffold it. Need unit tests? AI can suggest them. Need help understanding a legacy codebase? AI can summarize it.
The biggest benefit isn't that AI writes everything for you, it's that it removes friction.
And when developers spend less time stuck, they spend more time building.
One of the underrated impacts of AI is how it's changing the way people learn programming.
This is huge for beginners.
Instead of watching hours of tutorials and still feeling confused, learners can now ask AI specific questions in real time.
Like, why is this loop not working? Or, can you explain Spring Boot like I'm a beginner?
That instant feedback changes everything.
But there's a catch.
If you rely on AI without understanding the basics, you can become dependent.
Exactly. AI should accelerate your learning, not replace your thinking. Here's where things get interesting. AI is changing what it means to be a valuable developer.
In 2026, just knowing syntax isn't enough.
Because AI can already write syntax.
What matters more now is problem solving, system design, understanding user needs, communication, and knowing how to work with AI effectively.
The best developers today aren't the ones who type the fastest.
They're the ones who know what to build, why it matters, and how to guide AI to help them do it better.
Of course, it's not all perfect.
AI still makes mistakes.
Sometimes it gives outdated code, insecure solutions, and confidently wrong answers.
And that's dangerous, especially if developers stop reviewing what AI produces.
There's also concern about job roles changing.
Some repetitive tasks may disappear.
But history shows that technology usually shifts jobs more than it destroys them.
The people who stay curious and keep learning will have the advantage.
So how is AI changing software development in 2026?
It's making development faster, learning easier, and the industry more competitive.
But it's also raising the bar.
The future belongs to developers who can think critically, adapt quickly, and use AI as a tool, not a crutch.
If you're learning to code right now, this is actually one of the best times to start.
Because the people who learn how to work with AI today,
they'll help build the future tomorrow.
Thanks for tuning in to the podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, stay with us for more conversations on AI, programming, and the future of tech. See you next time.